Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best MIPS helmets that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Giro Agilis MIPS Cycling Helmet. The Giro Agilis MIPS Cycling Helmet for men is built with a focus on rider comfort and safety during long rides. Its structure includes a hard shell paired with an in-mold lower wrap that helps keep the helmet strong and consistent across different conditions. The surface design supports stability while maintaining a sleek look suited for adult cyclists. Wearing the Giro Agilis helmet feels steady due to the Rock Lock 5 Fit system. This system allows riders to adjust the helmet with precision, helping it sit comfortably on the head. Quick dry padding is used inside to manage sweat during long rides. That padding helps maintain comfort without holding moisture. The slimline webbing adds to the secure fit without adding extra weight or bulk. Air moves through wind tunnel ventilation, which provides steady airflow. That helps keep the head cool during cycling, especially in warmer weather or intense training sessions. Riders can benefit from this smooth air movement, which supports better focus during travel. This helmet is designed in a bright highlight yellow shade, making it easy to see on the road and increasing visibility. It fits into the adult category and is sized small, matching riders who need a snug, safe fit. This helmet brings together support, visibility, and air control to provide a dependable option for cycling needs. The Giro Agilis MIPS is tailored toward riders who want balanced protection and airflow without sacrificing weight or comfort during their daily or competitive rides. In our list, the number 2 product name is Smith Trace MIPS Cycling Helmet. The Smith Trace MIPS Cycling Helmet is crafted to give riders comfort while managing airflow and fit. This helmet includes an internal design that supports breathability, helping air pass through from front to back using a built-in ventilation layout. Choroid surrounds the helmet to assist with energy absorption and consistent protection during impact, helping reduce the strength of force reaching the rider's head. Smith has included a structure that balances safety and airflow, using an integrated skeletal frame and lightweight aerocore in mold formation. Its VaporFit system supports fine-tuning the helmet's placement with ease, adjusting to match head shape closely. The single-layer webbing also contributes to the low weight while keeping the helmet steady during motion. Eyewear is stored securely with side channels built into the helmet shape. This setup is useful during uphill cycling, where keeping eyewear in place can support comfort and ease. The AirEvac system also supports fog prevention by moving warm air away from the glasses area, increasing visual clarity during extended activity. Smith began its journey in Sun Valley, Idaho, bringing over 5 decades of knowledge into modern outdoor gear. This helmet carries that heritage into today's cycling world by blending modern safety engineering with focused design. Each part, from the open-cell choroid system to the lightweight frame and air pathways, works together to bring cyclists a secure ride. The Smith Trace MIPS stands as part of the company's long commitment to outdoor performance, made for riders who want airflow, support, and reduced weight. In our list, the number 3 product name is Bern Hudson Commuter MIPS Bike Helmet. The Bern Hudson Commuter Bike Helmet with MIPS is made for riders moving through busy streets or relaxed weekend paths. This helmet is built with a balance of airflow and protection in mind, supporting cyclists who navigate urban roads regularly. Its sleek design gives a modern touch while including thoughtful details that support both safety and daily use. This helmet includes the Compass Fit system that can help fine-tune the size, giving the head a closer match with its interior design. The inner shape is built for comfort while helping hold the helmet in a steady position during travel. Its structure is focused on supporting city riders, especially those using electric bikes for quick movement or daily errands. The outer shell includes reinforcement around the back air channels. These back vents help with breathability while also giving a secure point for a U-lock, so users can attach their helmet when not in use. This adds convenience for people who stop frequently or leave their bike parked outside. An integrated lighting system is included at the rear part of the helmet. The built-in LED unit supports visibility with steady, flash, and pulse light options. This helps improve rider presence during night rides or low light conditions. The battery is built to last for hours and recharges using a mini USB port. Bern designed this model to serve those who cycle often and want support in all directions, from safety and fit to lighting and lock compatibility during their everyday journey. In our list, the number 4 product name is OutdoorMaster GEM MIPS Cycling Helmet. The OutdoorMaster GEM Recreational MIPS Cycling Helmet is made for riders who enjoy different paths, from quiet mountain trails to busy roads. It supports both youth and adults who want a blend of protection and comfort while riding. The helmet is shaped for balance and airflow, allowing riders to stay cooler in changing environments. With the inclusion of MIPS technology, the design focuses on helping lower the force from angled impacts. This system works during certain events to redirect energy, which may reduce rotational strain on the head. OutdoorMaster added 2 types of inner liners with different thickness levels, helping riders adjust the fit based on head shape or eyewear type. The adjustable dial also adds another layer of flexibility, allowing the helmet to sit firmly without pulling hair or feeling too tight. Its overall comfort is supported by the skin-friendly chin strap, which holds the helmet gently in place, even during longer rides. The visor at the front is removable, so the helmet can work for various outdoor activities beyond biking. This model includes several air openings placed across the surface, which can support airflow during long sessions. Whether riding through rough terrain, coasting down hills, or exploring skate paths, this helmet is built to adapt. It arrives with extra pads and support from OutdoorMaster, aiming to provide both function and confidence in every journey. The carbon black finish also gives a clean look that works well with different styles and gear. In our list, the number 5 product name is Schwinn Thrasher MIPS Cycling Helmet. The Schwinn Thrasher helmet is made for adult riders who need comfort and coverage while cycling. It is built to support those aged 14 years and older, with a head measurement between 58 to 62 centimeters. This helmet is created with a double layer of microshell and full foam support, offering a blend of lightweight and strength during outdoor activity. The fit system is shaped around a full dial control, letting riders change the tightness to suit their needs. Soft padding lines the inside, helping provide a more relaxed experience across longer rides. The straps on the side are simple to adjust, offering extra control over how the helmet stays in place. A removable visor can help in bright settings, adding flexibility for changing light conditions. The air vents are spaced to help cool air move through, keeping heat from building up. This model meets the National Bicycle Helmet Safety Guideline, making it suitable for those starting from 5 years and above. The helmet comes in a lighted version, giving an added sense of visibility when riding in less bright settings. It pairs well with active bike riders, especially those who use mountain models. While the helmet is for safety, its shape also follows a style that can match both casual and more rugged biking needs. Schwinn designs this product to work with their broader riding gear, supporting comfort on both short rides and longer trail paths. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.